Some policies do have a restriction on the number of years that it pays for own occupation. Own occupation means that what you were doing and the way you were doing it. If you were a urologist and you were performing computer-assisted surgeries at the time you became disabled, and you could still perform surgeries but not computer-assisted anymore, you are totally disabled because it's not the usual and customary manner and with reasonable continuity. You can't do it the way you were doing it. So if you're unable to perform your own occupation in the usual and customary manner and with reasonable continuity, you must be getting sick of me saying that, but I have to say it again and again and again because I want people to understand it. If you're unable to do that, you are totally disabled in your own occupation, but some policies say your own occupation coverage is only good for 2 years or 5 years, and after that, you are only totally disabled if you can't perform the duties of any occupation for which you are equipped by reason of education, training, or experience. So a doctor, for example, who can no longer be a surgeon, but can still be a diagnostician, can still run the office, can hire assistants to do the things that he or she can no longer do or can teach in medical school, arguably. I don't know about that one, but there are other things that you can do, would not qualify for total disability benefits under an any occupation definition. So you have to examine whether the any occupation definition is valid as it exists in the policy, whether that you were misled into believing that you had an own-oc policy, and if so, how you were misled, whether it's your fault or whether it's the insurance company's agent's fault. You have to examine a lot of things about that in order to see whether the any occupation provision in the policy is valid. But if it is, then you're stuck with that if you are unable to perform your own occupation, but you're not unable to perform any occupation after that period of time for the own-oc has expired.